Student, welcome to my channel Point 91. If you are new student, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's start the class. See the remaining question of model paper. First question is the process of shaping the grinding wheel to make it run concentric with shaft axis on which it is mounted is called. The process of shaping the grinding wheel to make its run concentric with shaft axis on which it mounted is called tuning, dressing, tuning, glazing. Right answer is C. Tuning. Next question. To get rimmed finish size, the drill hole size should be rimmer size. To get rimmed finish size, the drill hole size should be rimmed side greater than, equal, greater than and equal to, smaller than. Correct answer is D. Smaller than. Next question. Student, watch the video and study your exam just near now. See the question. The type of thread more suitable for transmission of motion or power. The type of thread most suitable for transmission of motion power. V thread, square and trapezoidal thread, square thread, trapezoidal thread. Right answer is B. Square and trapezoidal thread. Next question. The process of developing the pattern for sheet metal object. The process of developing the pattern for sheet metal object. A. Pattern making, layout work, parallel line development, beading. Right answer is B. Layout work. Next question. Lubricants generally have oily property and they are available in the form of. Lubricants generally have oily property and they are available in the form of solid state, fluids and solid, fluids, solid and semi-fluid, semi-fluid. Which one the correct? Right answer is C. Fluids, solid and semi-solid. All three state. What is the recommended cutting fluid during drilling of aluminium? What is the recommended cutting fluid during drilling of aluminium? Kerosene, dry air, mineral oil, none of these. Right answer is A. Kerosene. For use when aluminium drilled. Next question. And please subscribe my channel Point 91. The surface roughness expected from lapping process is. The surface roughness expected from lapping process is 1.6 to 20 micron, 6.3 to 100 micron, 0.012 to 0.16 micron, and D 1.2 to 1.7 micron. Which one the correct? The right answer is C. 0.12 to 0.16 micron. Next question. Example of thermoset plastic is. Example of thermoset plastic is polycarbonate, polyexposide, polysulfone, none of these. So what is the example of thermoset plastic? Right answer is B, polyexposide. B is the correct answer. Next question. An operation of enlarging a hole to a given depth to house head of socket head or cap screw is called. An operation of enlarging a hole to a given depth to house head of socket head or cap screw is called counterboring, countersinking, spot facing, none of these. Right answer is A, counterboring. Next question. One of precaution to be observed during the lapping process is one of precaution to be observed during the lapping process is keep the lap moist away, apply excessive pressure while lapping, dwell in the same place while lapping, none of these. Right answer is A. Right answer is A. Keep the lap moist always. Keep the lap moist always. Next question. Identify the pneumatic symbol. Identify the pneumatic symbol. A. Dryer. B. Lubricator. C. Filter. D. Pneumatic motor. Right answer is C. Filter. C. Filter. Next question. Is a tool used to measure the pitch of thread. Is a tool used to measure the pitch of thread. Standard wire gauge, screw pitch gauge, radius gauge, feeler gauge. The right answer is B, screw pitch gauge. Next question. Diesel oil has specific gravity. Diesel oil has a specific gravity 0.71, 0.83, 0.90, 0.50. Right answer is B, 0.83. Diesel oil has specific density 0.83. Next question. The direction of load acting in a general bearing is to the bearing axis. The direction of load acting in a general bearing is to the bearing axis. At right angle, parallel, inclined, none of these. Right answer is A, at right angle. At right angle. Next question. What is the unit of conductivity? What is the unit of conductivity? Ohm, ampere, Siemens, ohm meter. Right answer is C, Siemens. Next question. The purpose of the is connect or disconnect various mechanisms to the power source. The purpose of the is to connect or disconnect various mechanisms to the power source. Clutch, gear, brake, none of these. To connect and disconnect. To connect and disconnect. The right answer is clutch. A is the right answer, clutch. Next question. Which Japanese methodology can be adopted for better shop floor maintenance? Which Japanese methodology can be adopted for better shop floor maintenance? 3S concept, 5S concept, 7S concept, 4S concept. Right answer is 5S concept. B is the right answer. Next question. Two pipes having external thread at their end need to be joined in a straight line. Which pipe element is used for joining? Two pipes having external thread at their end need to be joined in a straight line. Which pipe element is used for joining? Plug, cap, coupling, elbow. Correct answer is C, coupling. Next question. The tension of belt when the two pulleys are fixed relative to each other is adjusted by. The tension of belt when two pulleys are fixed relative to each other is adjusted by adjusting screw, idle pulley, both A and B, and key. Right answer is B, idle pulley. Next question. Which part indicates the reading of dial test indicator? Which part indicates the reading of dial test indicator? Stem, anvil, pointer, plunger. Right answer is B, anvil. Anvil. Student, remaining 20 question completed for your exam is near. Please watch the video and keep practice and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.